I found a way to earn over $700 every single day. It was just the other week when I was scrolling through my Instagram feed and I came across this new method of making money. I haven't seen many videos about it yet, so I'm here to tell you all about this brand new method of making money online. Trust me, even though this method is new, people have been raking in thousands of dollars every single day by doing this. Just look at these people here who have been earning over $1,000 every single day. If these ordinary people can do it, then you definitely can too. So let's get into it. So you're probably wondering what this method is. Well, it's called drop servicing. Drop servicing is actually a pretty cool way to rake in some cash. Here's the deal. There are people out there who need a specific service and they're willing to shell out some serious cash for it. With this demand, you can get your own drop servicing hustle going on, where you basically sell that service to those clients and make some sweet profits. But here's where things get interesting. You don't actually have to offer the service yourself. Nope, not at all. Instead, you play the matchmaker role. You connect these clients with skilled service providers who can handle the job like a boss. These service providers are the real deal, the true experts, but they charge a certain fee for their work. So basically, you're the one who brings clients and service providers together, creating magic in the process. You find clients who are on the hunt for a specific service, you promote and sell that service to them, and then you find the perfect service provider who can fulfill the client's needs. And bam, you make a profit in the blink of an eye. Now personally, I think drop servicing is pretty awesome. It's like diving headfirst into a pool of different industries and offering a whole bunch of services without needing to be a jack of all trades. You get to tap into the skills and expertise of others while still raking in the moolah. Plus, it's an online business model that gives you the freedom to work from wherever you want. Of course, like any business venture, drop servicing has its fair share of challenges. I mean, finding reliable and top-notch service providers can sometimes be a tad tricky. And let's not forget the need to market and sell those services like a pro to attract clients. But don't worry, because with the right strategies and a bit of hustle, you can totally make it happen. And guess what? I'm here to guide you every step of the way. Step 1. Head over to Fiverr. Alright, let's talk drop servicing and how we can make it happen. So here's the deal. We're going to dive into the world of Fiverr.com, which is like this awesome website where freelancers can sell their skills and buyers can snatch up all kinds of services. So picture this. We set up our drop servicing business on Fiverr. It's like our virtual storefront where we can showcase the services we're going to offer. And trust me, Fiverr is full of talented people who are ready to offer their expertise. Now here's the cool part. We don't have to be the experts ourselves. We just need to know how to find the right service providers on Fiverr who can do the job. These talented people have their gigs listed on the site, and it's up to us to pick the ones that match our clients' needs. So imagine this scenario. A client comes to us, let's say they need an awesome flyer design. We're like, no worries, we got you covered. We hop on over to Fiverr, browse through all the talented graphic designers, and find the perfect one who can create a mind-blowing design for a flyer for our client. Once we've made the match, we act as the middleman. We negotiate the deal, set the price, and take care of all the details. Our client pays us the big bucks, and then we pay the service provider their well-deserved cut. And of course, we pocket the sweet profit in the process. Step 2. Pick a gig to drop service. So there are like millions of different services on Fiverr, and now your job is to pick one that you think is going to be profitable. Let me show you an example of the one that we're going to be drop servicing today. So let's check out this awesome email marketing gig. Let me tell you, email marketing is currently the hottest trend in digital marketing. It's an engaging and captivating way to reach out to your target audience. In case you don't know, email marketing basically involves sending well-crafted emails directly to people's inboxes. It's not your normal promotional method. It's an efficient way to get the results you want. Step 3. Set up your own gig on Fiverr. Okay, so now it's time to create your gig on Fiverr. First things first, let's talk gig essentials. Give your gig a catchy title that grabs attention and showcases what makes you unique. Think of something that sets you apart from the competition and makes clients go, wow, I need this. Next, choose the right category that matches your email marketing service. This will help potential clients find you easily in the huge Fiverr marketplace. Now, let's talk about search tags. These are like magic keywords that help clients discover your gig. Choose tags that properly describe your email marketing talents. Think of words that people would search for when they really want top-notch emails. This is your chance to attract the right crowd and stand out in the sea of freelancers. Now it's time to think about pricing. Let's take this seller as an example again. They're selling this service for a super reasonable price of $15. Now, here's where the magic happens. You can create your own gig and set the price at, let's say, $115. That means you're making an awesome $100 profit without lifting a finger. Seriously, it's like you're getting paid to do nothing. Now, let's dive into the description and FAQ section. This is where you shine and show off what your gig is all about. So, create a compelling description that showcases your expertise, dedication to high-quality emails, and the amazing benefits clients will get from choosing your services. Be personable, inject your unique personality, and let your passion for email marketing shine through. Remember, you're not just selling a service, you're selling an unforgettable experience. And we can't forget the visuals. Try and add an eye-catching gig image that really represents what your gig is all about. Once you're done and happy with everything you've included in your gig, it's time to hit that publish button and let the world know about your incredible gig. Step 4. Fulfill any orders using the services of other freelancers. Now that your gig is all set up and ready to roll, get ready to sit back and watch that sweet passive income flow in. When you get an order from a client, you don't have to sweat it out doing all the heavy lifting yourself. Nope, you can simply hire a talented freelancer to handle the job for you, and at a lower cost too. But here's the thing you gotta remember, quality is everything. You want to make sure the freelancers you bring on board are reliable and produce top-notch work that meets your sky-high standards. Building an awesome reputation is key to keeping those clients coming back for more. So here's my pro tip for you. Create a solid network of freelancers with different areas of expertise. That way, whenever an order comes in, you can quickly find the perfect freelancer for the task at hand. And here's another sneaky tip just for you. When you're starting out, it's a smart move to invest some time and effort into improving your own skills. Learn all the details of the services you're offering. This way, you'll have a better understanding of the work your freelancers are doing, and you can give them the right guidance they need. Plus, it's always handy to have a backup plan in case you can't find a freelancer for a specific task. So, let's work smarter, not harder, and turn that dream of passive income into reality. Now look guys, there are a ton of websites and opportunities out there to make money, and I know how overwhelming and confusing it can get. That's why it's handy to know the best ways out there to make money. And I tested out this strategy for you so you can feel confident trying it out. So hopefully this helps you out. If it does, then I'd really appreciate if you like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.